Hi, my name is Maarten Logtenberg and I'm the CTO and co-founder of CEAD. Today I would like to talk about safety measures and especially the safety cell for a large format 3D printing system using industrial robots. Recently we have seen too many cases of machines being installed without these safety measures in place. The fence is not the only safety measure, but it's one of the most important safety measures. You as a business owner or as an operator should be worried about the safety of yourself and your employees. That's why we find it very important to highlight the importance of a safety cage. An industrial machine like this should of course behave as you expect. However, things can happen. Someone can make a programming error that can cause the machine to behave differently than you expected. If something like this happens and you are in the way, then this could really harm you. That is the reason why we want a safety cage, to keep you out of the way for any unexpected behavior. So the safety fence should only be able to open when the machine is not in operation. So when the machine is at standstill. That's why you have locks which are electronically connected to the machine operating system. If someone opens this lock for what reason whatsoever while the machine is operating, then the machine should come to an immediate emergency stop. So a fence like this is not capable of stopping the actual robot. This is also not the intention of a fence like this. The fence should keep you as a person away from the robot. So the robot is capable actually of crashing through it. However, that's why another safety measure is taken in place, which is a safety box. This is a virtual box around the machine with software limits. These should be calibrated in such a way that the robot will always stop before it can actually hit the fence. Thank you for watching this video about safety and especially safety caging. It's important for the industry that is using large-scale industrial robots to make sure safety is in place. It's not only the responsibility of the suppliers of the machines to ensure that safety measures are taken, but also you as a business owner should always question the supplier whether the correct safety measures have been taken. Not only for you, but especially for your employees and the people working with that machine. So make sure that this beautiful technology, especially large format 3D printing, can grow as it is growing without any accidents happening.